Okay. Let's read the question. Question number 13. A climber is in a competition. Here here are their scores after two events. Okay, event one, two, and three scores. We are given a scores just for the event one and two. We are not given for event three, so we need to find out that one. Okay, first one out of 30, second one out of 38, and the last one is out of 53. So event 3 is out of 52. The climber's overall score is found by adding the three scores together. Find the score the climber needed in event 3 to achieve 85% of the total points. So first I'm going to find out total points. Okay, total points. If I add 30, 38 and 52, so you will get this one is 90, 120. Okay, 120 out of 120. So they already got for the event 1 and 2. For event 1 and event 2, he got 24 and 32. So if I add this together, is 6 and 5, 56. They already got 56. How many more points he need to get the 85% of the total point? Okay. So I'm going to find out if he get, if he want 85% of out of total. So what should be there? So for the 100, he got he need 85. So but actually he got 120 total. So if you simplify this, 6 to how many 20s into 126, how many 20s into 100 is 5. So 5 divided by 135 is 7. Then 17 times 6 is you will get 102. Okay, 102. Total he need to get 102. But he already have 56. So how many more points he need to get? 102 take away 56 equal then you will get 6. Then 9 take away 4 is 46. So he need to get 46 out of 52, get 85% of total points. Okay. Question number 14. So for each graph below, select its possible equation from this list. So as you can see, the first one, the straight line, and it's go through the origin, so it should be y equal x. So the first one, for the first one is y equal uh, uh, x, that means b, and this one is a uh, cube, x cube. So y equal x cube. Uh, then the answer is F. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Next question is function machine. Okay. Here are two functions. Function A input times by 5 plus 4 output. Function B input times by B take away 8 output. When the input of each function is 6, okay, just underline the information. So both has input is 6, okay. Uh, each function is 6. The output of the function A is equal to the output of the function B. Work out the value P in function B. Okay. if I find that now I know for the first function in first function machine I know everything. So I know the input. Input was 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 plus 4 is 35. 34. So answer is 34 for the first one. It says the output of both function machine is 34. So it should be 34 here. So now I'm going to go backward, inverse. Okay, when we go to find out the input, we need to go inverse. We need to do the inverse of the operation. So 34 is when you come to this way, it's minus 8. So I'm going to the other way, opposite way. So I'm going to do inverse 34, add 4, 34, add so 34 add 8. This is time, so I'm going to divide by p. Okay, it should equal 6. Answer input is 6. So I'm going to simplify this equation. 34 add 8 is 42. 42 equals 6p. Now I need to find out p, so I'm going to divide both sides by 6. Uh, I will write 6. 6p divided by 6 is p equal 42 divided by 6 is 7. So P is 7. Okay, P is 7. So I'm going to write the answer here. Answer is 7. Okay. Now let's go to next question. Multiply out. Okay, brackets. So we need to expand brackets. So I'm going to do. I'll show you 5a within brackets 2. Take away a. So I'm going to times 5a times 2. I will get 10a, take away, minus 5a times a, 5a squared. Okay, answer is 10a, take away 5a squared. Okay, let's go to the next one. Now I go inequality. Inequality is here. So same as equation. What I want to do, I'm going to take away 9 from both sides. 5x, take away 9 from both sides, then you will get 12, take away 9 is 3. So now I'm going to divide by 5 from both sides. So when you divide by 5, you get x greater than, so 3 divided by 5, you will get 3 over 5. Okay. So you can keep as fraction, or otherwise you can just simplify for the decimals. As 3 divided by 5 is 0.6. So I can write x greater than 0.6. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Solve by factorizing. So we got quadratic equation. So I'm going to find out first. I've just opened my brackets, 2 brackets. I'm going to open two brackets. Then I will see. I just want to think about this term and 7. So I'm going to find out the factors of 12. I'm going to list all factors of 12. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. So when you times these factors, you need to get 12. And when you add these two factors, you need to get 7. So what pair of factors we get the 7 when we add? So 1 add 12 is 13, so that's not. 2 add 6 is 8, so that's not. the one we are looking for, and 3 and 4 is 7, so that's the one we are looking. So I'm going to put my x here. Okay, x and x again. And this is plus, so I'm going to put the plus to both into both brackets, and I'm going to get these factors first. So I'm going to write 3 here, and I'm going to write 4 here. This is the fact. This is how you want to factorize this quadratic equation. This is the answer, but then you can write. Okay, now you need to find out. Okay, make sure these all two factors are equal to 0. So either this bracket could be 0 or this bracket could be 0. So I'm going to write this x plus 3 could be 0 or x plus 4 equals 0. If we take this one, x should be minus 3, or if you take this one, x could be negative 4. So x is negative 3 or x is negative 4. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Question number 17. A prime number is a whole number that has exactly two factors. Explain why 1 is not a prime number. Why is not a prime number? Because 1 has only one factor. So for prime to be prime number, it need to have two factors. The two factors, but 1 has only one factor. So that's why it's not prime factor. Okay. Now A and B are numbers. Sorry, 1 is not the prime number. Here, question B, A and B are prime numbers. Write down the 6 factors of A squared B. Okay. Now, when you simplify this whole, you need to go to the 6 factors. Okay, let's take next question. It says A and B are prime numbers. Write down the 6 factors of A squared B. So it can be A squared and B. It can be A, B, okay? And it could be A, could be mm, okay. Last one is uh, A squared B. Yeah, right. Okay. Now, let's move to the next question, which is the table shows the result of the sports club's A team. Result: frequency: win 18, draw 10, lose 12, and total 40. Complete the label pie chart to show these results. So for this one, you need a protractor and compass. Okay. For this one, you can find out. Let's say, as you know, this total is 40. We just represent this 40 by 360. Okay. So for one, how many degrees I need to just find out. For one, 360 divide by 40, you will get 0, 0, cancel it down. And for the 36, 4 is 9. Okay, so 9 for 1, 9 degree. So here for wind, 18. So how many degrees I need? For wind, I need uh, 18 times 9 equals. So you can use a calculator. 18 times 9. 18 times 9 is, so answer is 162. Here 162. 162. 10 times 9 is 90. So I will get 90 here. And 12 times 9 here, 108. Okay, 108. So I got 182, 90 and 108. So you can use a protector and a protector basically. So you already given so circle. So you can use the protector, just do your pie chart. So it should be, first one is 162. So it's not 100. This should be 180. So 162 should be like here. And the second one is 90. So you know that 90 should be 90. When you draw the 90, should be 90 and 108. So just, this is roughly, it should look like this. 162, 90 and 108. Okay, let's move to the next one. Here are the results for the sports club B team and C team. B team lose, win and draw. C team's here. The C team manager says the pie chart shows that the C team won more games than the B team. Referring to this pie chart, explain why the C team manager may not be correct. Okay. Okay. This one, because we don't know, we are not given how many total each team's going to do. Okay. We don't know the total of each team. So that's why we can't compare this both team together. So we don't know the total number of, we have not be given how many, how many games each team will play. Will play. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Next one is, okay, read the question. The graph shows Taylor's journey from home to the airport. During the journey, Taylor stops for petrol. So here you can see the distance from home. This side is times, okay, by minutes. The question is, for how long did Taylor stop for the petrol? He start by 0, that's meaning from his home. Then he just travel uh, in constant speed for how many minutes? This is 10 minutes. How many squares in this within this 10 minutes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's mean one square shows 2 minutes. So 6 minutes he has been traveling, 6 minutes in constant speed. Then again he increased his speed up to 20 minutes. Then he stopped for the petrol. He stopped. Okay, we already found for one square is 2 minutes. His stop for the petrol is 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes. Stop for the petrol is 4 minutes. can write here 4 minutes. Means it's already there, so we need to just write 4. And then they asked Taylor drive the same route back home from the airport at the average speed of 45 kilometers per hour. Taylor leaves the airport at 22 hours. Thus, mean 22 is 11 o'clock. Work out the time when Taylor arrived home. Okay, so let's go back. Taylor drives the same route back home from the airport at an average speed 45 kilometers per hour. So he's gonna, yeah, let's see how. Okay, let's think about the distance first. Okay, so distance is 48. 48 kilometers. 48 kilometers distance from home to airport, and my speed is 45 kilometers per hour. So I'm going to write the formula: speed equal distance divide by time. Otherwise, you can draw your triangle. This speed is distance divided by time. Okay, so now I know the speed is 45, and distance is 48 divided by time. So if I just take t to this side, t equals 48 divided by 45. So answer is 48. 48 divided by 44 is 1.06666. So I'm going to round it. 1.07 hours. Okay, now I know he leaves airport by 11 o'clock. So when he come back, he took 1 hour. That's mean 12:07. Okay, read the question. Write an expression for the weight in grams of an object weighing X kilogram. So for the kilogram, 1 kilogram, how many grams are there? Thousands. So I can write it X times 1,000. Okay. Oh, that answer is 1,000 X gram. So write an expression for the area in square meter, the garden of area y centimeter square. So for square meter, how many centimeters? Oh, that's mean 1 meter times 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter times 1 meter. For 1 meter, we have 100 centimeters. That's mean 100 times 100 is 10,000 square centimeters. So we have y. Okay, we need to write in square meters. So we have y centimeters. Okay, other way around. Okay, I'm going to just get this. Write this other way around. Okay. Yeah. one should be other way around. Why? Because I'll show you. Um, 1 centimeter squared has 1 centimeter squared mean, I will write here. 1 centimeter squared mean 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter, if you convert it to meter, divide by 100. So 1 divided by 100 is 0.01 times 0.01. So that's mean 1 centimeter squared equal 0.0001 meter squared. So if we have y centimeter squared, so that's mean y 0.01